Hero series. In this course, we are going to explore and deeply understand generative AI technology. Nowadays, Gen AI is transforming industries. I had even say it's ruling them. Why? Because all the traditional ML techniques have become a bit outdated. In machine learning, we create a model from scratch, right? Because when we create a ML model, we have to feed a data and we have to train a model, we have to test a model, we have to do a lot of stuffs, right? After then only we can get the model and can use it in our project needs. But Gen AI is a extended version, is a 2.0 version of ML, I can say, because all the models are already trained. There is a lot of platforms like Hugging Face, Olama, likewise, where we can load the model from there, and we can use it in directly from the platforms by using some API keys and steps to our project by using techniques like prompt engineering and some other techniques. We can use it in a generative AI, and we can use all those models. Yeah. Before entering into the theoretical part of Gen AI, I would like to give the relationship about the artificial intelligence, machine learning, and generative AI. Yeah, I believe you can see this Venn diagram in which artificial intelligence is a technology. Inside the technology, a technique called machine learning is there, right? Inside the machine learning, there is a generative AI, which is an extension, or we can say 2.0 version of machine learning. Okay, yeah, this is the relationship between all this artificial intelligence, machine learning, and generative AI. Before entering into the Gen AI, I would like to say uh, one line about the artificial intelligence. I think you can see this quote, which is nothing but artificial intelligence is equal to giving machines the ability to decide and act smartly. Okay, actually, nothing but we can use the artificial intelligence and we can make it to think itself and decide itself. For example, let's take an example for a mobile phone. Okay, when we see the mobile phone, we will be using the face lock, right? Every day, the AI or the machine sees our face and decides whether these features are about our owner or not, and it makes a decision like whether we have to lock it or unlock it. Yeah, so this is one of the example of artificial intelligence. And coming to the another example, which is let's take a YouTube. In YouTube, there's a search engine, a research bar in which we give a lot of queries, right? Based on the queries, we'll be getting the recommendations every day, right? So this is also one of the example of artificial intelligence. And about machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence. Here you can see this quote: AI learns from experience, right? In machine learning, um, I give you an example. We feed the system with hundreds of images like dogs, cats, horses, and so on. The machine studies all their features, learns patterns, and then predicts the correct output. Likewise, I already mentioned in the above. In which we have to feed the data and we have to train the model using some algorithms, and we'll be getting the output by testing. So there is a lot of learning techniques in machine learning, which is supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement, and lot of algorithms. Types of algorithms are classification, regression, and clustering algorithms are also there. We'll be seeing all these machine learning stuffs in further videos in a separate playlist in future. So yeah, this is for now. In one line, we can say the method that helps AI learn from experience. Okay, let's coming to the hero of this video, which is generative AI. Generative AI is nothing but there is a in the name itself the term called generative, right? It generates itself, nothing but it generates itself. AI will learn something and create something and generate something. That's it. Likewise, we are using ChatGPT every day, Gemini, Perplexity, which uses the same algorithm Gen AI to generate its text, images, etc. Okay, this is a Gen AI. Actually, in a future videos, in further videos, we'll be seeing how to create a Gen AI model, where to load up, where we have to take this all those models, and what are the models we have to take. We'll be seeing about the llama models, GPT-3, and etc., and also how to access the API key. Everything we are going to learn in a real time. So uh, be stay tuned for all those videos. Yeah, actually this is Gen AI, which is nothing but generates itself. And have a look on this comparison table, you'll be getting a great insights. Yeah, let's come to the real time example. I'll be taking the great man who is Elon Musk. I believe all you will be know about him, who is owner of Tesla, who gives a self-driving car for the first time to this world, right? In that Tesla car, Genia is working a lot. They have used a lot of Gen AI steps in that. Let me say a single example about that. There's a chip, okay? There is a chip in a car. Chip is nothing but a brain of the car, okay? Brain of the car means it collects all the data from the car and remembers it. In that chip, there is a Gen AI model, okay? Just visualize that you are sitting in a Tesla car, okay? In front of you there is a man who is standing, okay, in front of the car. The camera recognizes that there is a data who is which is a passenger in front of the car. It gives to the chip. There is a Gen AI model, right, which thinks like in a different perspective. What if a passenger turns left? What if a passenger turns right? Or what if he or she U-turns? Likewise, and it generates a lot of questions, and accordingly it gives the feed to the vehicle what to do, what if, and what if. Likewise, so this is how the Gen AI works in the Tesla. And also they have some chatbots inside, like the name it is chat buddy, okay, where we can give voice commands, which is same like chat gpt what we are using nowadays. And yeah, all these Gen AI things are actually helping for Tesla to stop all those crashes inside it, and also they are providing some securities, etc. Okay, this is one of the example of Gen AI. Not only Tesla, every industry is using Gen AI nowadays. So learning Gen AI is necessary uh, to develop ourselves, to enhance ourselves technically. So yeah, I believe you'll be getting some introduction about Gen AI, some knowledge about AI and ML as well. In future videos, we'll be getting a lot of insights about Gen AI. So please be stay tuned and make sure you like, share, and subscribe the video. Thank you.